We bet you looked around wondering who it was this time. It's become so common these days to say, oh, it's in the air, much like love. George Herbert once said, love and cough cannot be hid. We fall in love for many reasons. And we end up with a cough too, for many reasons. All right, we'll drop the love-cough connection. But let's tell you what causes it. We mean the dry cough. Allergies, smoking, asthma, flu, COVID, you get the drift. If you're thinking none of these apply to me then, what's with the cough? It could have a lot to do with your eating habits. You heard us. Acid reflux triggers havoc inside our bodies. Avoid or moderate your consumption of caffeine, chocolates, alcohol, and carbonated drinks, especially before bedtime. You may also want to say goodbye to strawberries, mushrooms, fermented foods, dry fruits, dairy, fried and sugary foods. Yeah, that's a lot, we know. Take a deep breath. Let that settle in. Speaking of taking deep breaths, steam inhalation, eucalyptus-based aromatherapy, a humidifier can help you feel better. And the trusted saltwater gargling, of course. Now, for some cough kitchen connection. For dry cough, ginger is a natural decongestant and antihistamine. And here's your bonus, some instant cough relief recipes. Mix 1 spoon of ginger juice, a pinch of turmeric, and a tablespoon of honey and drink up. Or, boil ginger, black peppercorn, black tulsi, betel leaf or pan leaf in 1 glass of water and add honey or jaggery and feel the relief. Before you jet set to your kitchen, make sure you subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon and never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy.
To know more about the topic, click on the blog link in the description given below.